Morning student, chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease. First of all, what is disease? Disease means when a functioning of one or more organ system or body is adversely affected, characterized by various signs and symptoms. We say we are not healthy, we have disease. Disease can be broadly grouped infections and non-infections. Infections means disease which are easily transmitted to one person to another are called infectious disease. Infection disease are very common. Everyone suffers from this sometimes or other. Some of these infection disease like AIDS are fatal, and non-infectious disease cancer is the major cause of death, and drug and alcohol abuse also affect our health adversely. This is a infections of AIDS example and non-infection for cancer example. Clear? This common disease in humans. A wide range of organisms belong to many organisms. First, bacteria. Second, viruses. Third, fungi. Fourth, protozoa. Fifth, helminths. Could cause disease in man. This is the most important organism. It is a pathogenic organism such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and helminths could cause disease in man. Such disease causing organisms are called pathogens. Most probably first disease for typhoid. Typhoid is a Salmonella typhi. This is a one type of bacteria. Salmonella typhi, this is one type of pathogenic bacteria cause typhoid fever in human being. These pathogens are generally enters the small intestine. Most important points this sentence. These bacteria are transferred into small intestine through the food or water. These diseases are transferred only for food or water. Contaminated with them migrate to other organ through the blood. High fever, temperature for 39 to 40 on centigrade. Symptoms of this typhoid: first, weakness. Second, stomach pain. Third, constipation. Fourth, achy, headache, loss of appetite, or some of common symptoms of this disease. Intestinal perforation and death may be severe cases. Typhoid fever could be confirmed by test of Vidal. In NEET and GUJCAT MCQS, what is a disease of typhoid bacteria? The Salmonella typhi. Typhoid fever confirmed by test by Vidal test. A classic case of medicine that for Mary Mallon, nickname Typhoid Mary. A word mentioning here, she was a cook by profession and typhoid carrier. Mary Mallon, nickname Typhoid Mary, is a carrier form to transfer of typhoid. Continuous spread of typhoid for several years through the food she is prepared. Clear? First disease is a typhoid. Second disease is a pneumonia. Pneumonia means bacteria like Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza. Two types of bacteria infected this disease pneumonia in humans, which infects the alveolar air-filled sac of the lungs. As a result of this infection, the alveoli get filled with fluid, leading severe problems for respiration. Means this bacteria is transferred to the lungs. For example, Streptococcus pneumoniae or Haemophilus influenza. The symptoms of pneumonia include first, fever, chills, cough, headache. In severe case, the lips and fingernails are turned gray to bluish color. Most important points for pneumonia: person, lips or fingernails turn gray or bluish in color. A healthy person acquires infection inhaling droplet. Aerosols means droplet in nausea released by infected person by sharing for glasses, utilities, infected person. Dysentery, plague, diphtheria are some of other bacterial disease in man. First disease discussed for typhoid, second pneumonia, and third disease is a common cold. This is infected only for viruses. This infected for bacteria. This infected for bacteria. Clear? First disease infected typhoid, Salmonella typhi bacteria. Second disease infected bacteria pneumonia, Streptococcus pneumoniae or Haemophilus influenza. And third, common cold. Many viruses also cause disease in human beings. For example, rhinovirus. This rhinovirus infected for common cold represent one such group viruses which cause one of the most infectious human element, the common cold. They infect the nose, respiratory passage, but not the lungs. The common cold is characterized by nasal congestion and discharge. This is a hoarseness, cough, headache, and tiredness. These are symptoms of this observed common cold. This is a main last for 3 to 7 days infected for this virus. In NEET and GUJCAT MCQs, how many days infected for common cold? This virus, rhinovirus, 3 to 7 days. Droplets resulting from cough or sneeze of an infected person are either inhaled directly transmitted through the contaminated objects such as pens, books, cups, doorknobs, computer keyboard or mouse and cause infection in a healthy person. Clear? First common disease in humans. First disease is Salmonella typhi. Second, in 2 marks question, importance this question. First only for typhoid, this to this, right? This to this, right? For pneumonia, this to this, third disease for common cold. And fourth disease is a malaria. Some of the human disease are caused by this is infected for protozoans, this infected for bacteria, this infected for bacteria, this infected for virus, and this infected for protozoas. Have heard about malaria disease. Been fighting many years. Protozoas, for example, Plasmodium. Tiny protozoans is responsible for this disease. Different species of Plasmodium, for example, species Plasmodium vivax, second Plasmodium malaria, and third Plasmodium falciparum are responsible for different types of malaria. Of this malignant malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum is most serious one and can even be fatal. Let us take a glance life cycle of Plasmodium. Life cycle of Plasmodium, first of all, in this case, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum. Clear? Next lecture discuss Plasmodium cycle, means life cycle of malaria, means life cycle of Plasmodium. Clear? First question, which bacteria cause typhoid? Salmonella typhi. How temperature in fever? 39 to 40. Symptoms of this typhoid: weakness, stomach pain, constitution, headache, loss of appetite, some of common symptoms disease. Test for typhoid only for Vidal test. Clear? Pneumonia, this bacteria, Streptococcus pneumoniae or Haemophilus influenza. Nails, fingers, lips, grey to bluish color. And which bacteria, which virus is infected for common cold? Rhinovirus. How many period? 3 to 7 days. Clear? Malaria, infected for protozoans for species like Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum. Thank you, student.